Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Learn with Data. Today we will discuss about Spark Catalyst Optimizer. So when you run a query in Apache Spark, you have wondered about it how it executes so much efficiently. The secret is lies behind this one, that is the Catalyst Optimizer. So in this video we will explore what is Catalyst Optimizer, how does it works, key concept of catalyzed optimization, and we will perform some PySpark code that how can we implement a catalyzed optimizer. By the end, you will have a solid understanding of catalyzed optimizer, so you can guide also use this one. I mean, how can we implement catalyzed optimizer to perform the action? So let's take learn with data. So first question is that what is catalyzed optimizer? So catalyzed optimizer is like a query optimizer inside your Spark SQL. Okay, it is also responsible for your analyze your queries and data frame operation. Transform the data into an optimized execution plan, and after then once it transforms that it can also execute those queries efficiently across a distributed Spark cluster. Okay, so it allows Spark SQL to run faster without requiring manual query optimization. Okay, so you have understood a basic approach that what is catalyzed optimizer. Next, the question is come in our mind that why is it important for Spark SQL? It is important because it is automatic optimization. Okay, no need for manual tuning. Okay, it also handle complex query transformation for a large size of the data. Okay, it also work across SQL data frame and the data set. It also use rule based and the cost based optimization. The next one is how does the catalyzed optimizer work? It also work in a four phase. Okay, first one is the analysis phase. Okay, first it will also analysis the that SQL or data frame code. After once it analysis, that also validate column name, functions, and the data types. Okay, once every done has been complete, it also build on abstract syntax tree. Okay, let's for an example, Spark check whether a table of column exists before executing a query. Okay. Second one is the logical optimization phase. Okay. It also converts SQL queries into an optimized logical plan. Okay. It also based on the rule based optimization, that is a predicate push down constant holding. Okay. For an example, like if you have a query, select star from employees where age is greater than 30 and age is less than 50. That it also pushes the filtering the row. Okay. So once we get the data after the filter, that we are only having the data for the transformation. Okay, we have only filtration data for those one. Third one come into our physical plan phase. Okay, physical planning phase, that means it also convert the logical plan into a physical plan. Okay, it can also choose any type of the execution strategy, that is the hash join and the broadcast join. Okay, Spark decide whether it's also used for the short merge join or the broadcast join based on the table size. Okay. Fourth one, that is the code generation phase. That it in the code generation phase, that means it also translate the execution plan into Java bytecode. Okay. Just, and it also use whole stage code generation for fast execution. From this perform to action, that it also execute queries 10 times faster from the traditional MapReduce. We have some key optimization technique for the catalyzed optimizer. Okay, first one is the predicate push down. Okay, that is the filter push down. Whatever I have already told, that is also filter the data as per age, like we have the age is greater than 30 or age is less than 50, that we are also going to filtration of the data. Okay, let's do some example, that if we have some in a database, we have some multiple types of the like 15 to hundreds of age are there. Okay, and we are only transform the data only for which have been greater than age of 30. Okay, so what if that it's also already filter the data, and after that it also transform the data. Okay, second one, that is the column pruning. Okay, column pruning means it also take only the necessary columns and avoid unnecessary column. Okay, it also for the reading extra data. Okay, like if we are using only for the name and age, so what we will do, we will take the select column for the name and the age only for. Okay, and perform the necessary action. Okay, third one is the constant folding. Okay, like if you are taking if you are taking only for the 10 multiply 2. Okay, first it will take in an advance, it will take the 10 multiply 2 in one column. Okay, so it is a pruning, the constant folding in a prior for the rather transformation. Okay, so Spark pre-compute 10 multiply 2 is equal to 20 instead of computing it at a runtime. Okay, fourth one is the broadcast join. That is the cost-based optimization. Okay, okay, okay. Like it also automatically broadcast join with the smaller table to avoid costly shuffling. Okay, if you have like the small data frame, okay, and you have also one other data frame, also large data frame. So what it will do, it will also joining data frame with the help of the broadcast. Okay, like let's an example. Simple. If you have a simple like small df, okay, spark read dot csv, okay, and you have some small csv file. Okay, once you have this one small data frame, and second one you have also the large data frame. For an example, okay, if you need to perform the broadcast join between the small data frame and the large data frame, what will you do? Just that you do joint data frame. Okay, large data frame dot join broadcast. You have a small df data frame, and whatever you have the common key between all those data frame. Okay, common key. Like if there is also a common key, like if we have the id, okay, that you can also perform this between that one. Like if you have the small df dot id is equal to large df dot id, that that is the same. So you will perform the broadcast join to if you have any smaller table, that you can perform this action for the catalyst optimization. Okay, so next one is the key optimization technique. Like if this one is the how catalyst optimizer work in PySpark. Okay, let's take a very simple example. First we will create a sample data for that one, and after once we created the sample data, we will perform a SQL query to check the execution plan. Okay, that you can also check what type of the operation performed when you are going to execute any SQL query. So for this one, we have to take Visual Studio. Let's open Visual Studio. Okay. Okay. Let's first we need to create a sample data. Like first initialize the Spark session. PySpark dot SQL import Spark session. Okay. Now Spark is equal to Spark session dot builder dot app name. This, for this one, we will take catalyzed example. Simple this one. Okay, so Spark session has been initialized. Second one that we need to create data like earlier videos. Alice 34 to okay, Kathy 25. Okay, we can also take one more for David 36. Okay, columns ID I will take ID, name, and age. Okay, now what we'll do, create a data frame with the help of this one spark dot create data frame data comma columns. Okay, now what we'll do, we will also create a temporary view to perform the Spark SQL query. Create or replace temporary view, that is the view. Okay, df dot so. Okay, so we have got the data like Alice, Bob, Kathy, and David as per age. Okay, the next action we can also perform the filtration. Okay, like optimized df is equal to, like we will take other Spark SQL select star from people where age is greater than 30. Age is greater than 30, so we will receive only 3 rows for that one. Okay, let's see. Optimize df dot so. Okay, so we have also received the data which has greater than age is greater than 30. Okay, the next action for the query execution plan, we will need to explain the optimize df. Okay, like this one, just explain. Okay, we can also the mode is equal to formatted. Simple. So you can also perform this one. Okay, physical plan is equal to filter of 2. Okay, scan existing rdd. Okay, it is saying your scan existing rdd, so it will showing your execution plan inside the Spark SQL. So for the so you have understood the catalyzed optimizer, what is catalyzed optimizer. Okay, and how can we perform catalyzed optimizer inside inside the Spark SQL. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.